This is all new Aprilia Tuono 663 Factory 2022. The starting price of this machine is $10,999. Before starting this video, you should make sure to hit the subscribe button and get notified. The all new Aprilia Tuono 660 Factory, having the engine with the capacity of 659cc, liquid cooled 2-cylinder parallel forward 4-stroke DOSC 4 valves per cylinder, which is capable to providing the maximum power of 100 horsepower at 10,500 rpm and delivering the maximum torque of 67 Nm at 8,500 rpm, and it has 6-speed transmission with Aprilia quick shift system up and down. The front suspension is Kayaba upside down fork 41 mm diameter with counter spring with aluminium mounted radial caliper, adjustable in extension, compression and spring preload with 110 mm wheel travel. The rear suspension is aluminium swing arm with asymmetrical trusses, monoshock with piggyback, adjustable in rebound, compression and spring preload with 130 mm wheel travel. The front tire is tubeless 120/70 with 17-inch wheel, and the rear tire is 180/55 with 17-inch wheel tubeless. And the seat height of this machine is 820 mm, and the size of fuel tank is 15 liters including 4 liters of the reserve, and the wet weight of this machine is 181 kg, and the fuel consumption is 4.90 liters per 100 km, and the CO2 emission is 116 gram per kilometer. The front brake is 320 mm dual disc Brembo caliper with 4 radial fixing 32 mm opposing pistons, and the rear brake is 220 mm diameter disc Brembo caliper with 2 isolated 34 mm diameter pistons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Info for you.